Hey guys, thanks for watching the Fox Adventures. Today, we're gonna feed some ducks. Lincoln is super excited. Let's hurry up. Lincoln, you wanna feed some duckies? We're gonna try to feed the duckies some corn today because bread is actually bad for the duckies. Do you want to get down and do it, Lincoln? Oh, look, they're all coming. Here you go. Why don't you hold the bag?
I'll sit right here.
Here, yeah. And Lincoln, you want to hop down? Oh, wow, they like that corn. The birds are catching it while they're flying. Look at all these ducks coming. Oh, here comes that one again. This one came up to us earlier. I don't think that one likes the corn very much. Can you throw it far? Hey, Daddy, you want to put him down so we can grab some and throw it? If he wants to. Do you want to get down, Lincoln? Yeah? You got any left? I'm going to throw some. Oh, look, he's eating them right here.
Yeah.
He's
He likes
smarter.
corn.
He came up here where no one else is.
Yeah.
Oh, look, here they come, Lincoln, look. Oh, here they come. Oh, don't get them behind the chains, though. Let's keep them outside the chains. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, a goose.
That's a goose. Hey, goose. Hey, come here, buddy. Stay close.
Goose.
Geese can be aggressive.
Yeah.
They can chase you. That's a goose right there with the big orange on it. It looks like a white duck. Hi, duck.
What a pretty duck.
Hi, duck.
Watch your step. He's right behind you.
That's Donald Duck behind me. That's Donald Duck, huh? You know the Donald Duck? You know Donald Duck?
You didn't know what a Donald Duck is. That big one, that's a goose.
That's a goose. He's a big, really big. Oh, yeah, there's a Canadian goose right there.
Where? Oh, wow. There's all kind of birds out here today.
He's doing something. He's kind of tough.
He's probably trying to scare the other ones away. You're doing a good job.
Act like you want corn, but you don't eat them.
He won't eat them. He eating them.
I don't trust the geese.
The turtle? Yeah, it went right over there.
Little stinky turtle. Little hiding from us.
They heard us. They ran away.
Yeah, he ran.
Is that the same one or is that a different one right there? That's a different one because it's white-headed. Maybe it is normal. Hey, buddy, you ready to tell the duckies bye-bye?
Say bye-bye, ducks.
Let's say bye-bye, duckies. It's hot out here. It's 100
duckies.
degrees.
Say deuces, homie.
He
Tell them bye-bye.
did. He didn't go in the
He
water.
may. He may be thirsty. It's hot out here.
Yeah.
You have to stay hydrated. There's a turtle.
Where's the turtle?
He just went underwater over
Aw,
there.
man.
Ducky. Every time I see it, he hears me. He knows his name. Turtle knows his name. I said, "There's a turtle," and he's like, "Oh, they heard us. They saw me."
Watch out, Lincoln. He's coming up.
He's a big. That's a big duck, huh? He's a big one. Let me get one of his feather sharks for you.
No, don't touch it. Oh, he's got some pretty green ones in there. They're shiny.
Yeah.
All right, bye, duckies. Time to go home.
They're playing over there.
Bye, duckies.
Wow, that was so much fun. Lincoln, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, guys, make sure you click subscribe so you can watch all of our awesome adventures.